Look at all around.
It's amazing.
Do you have your 360 camera going?
Yeah.
Oh. Look at all the lights came on.
Wow, it's so...
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
almost
wow.
there.
It's almost there.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, it's almost there. We are, I think, seconds away from totality.
Can you put on the right exposure?
Sure hope so.
Oh my gosh, we're almost there!
Almost there.
Oh, the lights are turning on.
I know!
Yes.
The fire is.
Oh god, it's so dark! Oh my gosh, wow.
Oh, woo!
Oh my god, we're almost there!
Oh, diamond, look, diamond ring.
Oh my god.
Star.
Oh my god.
Woo!
We're almost, oh my god, it's almost
Yes,
there!
yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh wow!
Take a picture.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Guy.
What a beautiful eclipse.
Wow. Oh my god! Wow! 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 Wow!
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Oh my god.
Oh wow! Wow! Look at it, it's so dark.
Look at in Dad's microscope and Dad's camera. It's beautiful. Oh.
Oh.
Oh my god! Oh wow! Oh my god!
Prominence is a prominence at 6 o'clock.
Goodness. Wow, it's so
Oh my
dark.
Look at how dark it is. Whoa. Imagine people not coming to see this.
Oh my god.
Look at it.
It's total
dark.
right now, and look how dark everything is.
Go up and show the.
I did. Okay. Yeah.
Or I don't know if this one is almost out of the field.
Oh my god. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh god, that's
Oh my
amazing. That's so amazing.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Wow, there's stars.
God, look,
Stars.
it's beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Look, you can see like that prominence.
Wow. Oh my
Look
god.
at that. You can see that star. Like that. You never see those during the day. That is so freaky. Look at all these like fools. They're just driving. Just driving around. Oh, that's cute.
It does not just.
Did you do it?
Oh my god, wow.
Wow, 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 huh?
God, it's just amazing. Not a cloud in the sky.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at the clouds over there.
Yeah. I wonder how they fare in
It's
Indianapolis, but look at, we got clear, beautiful skies.
It's
Look
actually
at
like a
that.
360.
Amazing.
Wow.
Amazing.
Wow.
Oh, it's coming
Look at
out.
that
It's-
prominence.
Yeah, you can see the prominence. Woo.
Look at the prominence on the bottom.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I was just showing right
Look
now.
at that prominence.
Wow. Yeah, it's amazing.
Oh wow.
Oh, it's coming out. Where is it?
No, I think
Yeah,
we
it's
have
the
a
Oh,
little.
there's the chromosphere.
Yeah, chromosphere, it's coming out.
Third contact.
Oh my god.
There it goes.
Caps on.
Yeah.
Filters on.
God, wasn't that amazing?
Oh, that was like somebody's turning
Wasn't
lights
that a
back
beautiful
on.
eclipse?
Oh my god. So beautiful.
Wow.
We saw it.
We did it. You saw it, Dad.
Okay, we're bored. Let's go.
That's great.
Beautiful.